Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Gadget. So in this video we're going to take a look at the Huawei MateBook X Pro. So we're going to start by price and availability. After months of delay, Huawei has finally revealed its pricing of its laptop in the US. $1,199 to start with an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB of SSD, and an Intel UHD graphics 620 GPU inside. From there, your next option is to pump up the spec sheet to double the amount of available storage and memory, as well as pump up the graphics option to an MX150 GPU for $1,500. The MateBook X Pro's design keeps the premium feel of its predecessor alive, featuring an aluminum unibody design with diamond cut edges and a sandblast finish. This results in a laptop that undoubtedly looks luxurious and feels that way as well. When closed, the MateBook X Pro is just 4.9mm at its thinnest end and 14.6mm at its thickest, all the while its weight just 1.33kg, which is lighter than the MacBook Air's 1.35kg. Clearly, this is slim and light enough to comfortably carry around. The MateBook X Pro comes in two colors, space gray and mystic silver, and both looks gorgeous up close. When using the MateBook X in the real world, the lightweight and portable chassis means it can comfortably be clasped in hand while rushing from meeting to meeting. It also fits in most backpacks and even some tablet compartments and sleeves. So despite considerable power contained within, it remains incredibly mobile. Another welcome touch is that the laptop opens without needing to hold down the bottom half. Simply wedge your thumb or finger under the top of the screen when closed, and the laptop opens with no awkward clamshell fumbles. There's a full-size keyboard that's backlit and spill-proof, though we wish the backlighting had more fine control than just a few brightness levels. That said, the travel on these keys is plenty deep for the laptop's awfully thin profile, and they are just punchy enough on the return from a price to present little to no learning curve from other premium laptops. Beneath the deep and punchy keyboard rests the large trackpad, which Huawei says is the largest one found on a 14-inch laptop. After a bit of use, we can confidently say that the extra-sized trackpad only helps the experience, with Microsoft Precision Touchpad technology and certification resulting in strong palm detection. This keeps your palms from triggering touches of the trackpad while typing. On either side of the keyboard are two top-firing stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos, and it shows. Audio set at 80% volume is loud and impressively nuanced when playing music or movies. We can actually hear the sound travels across the 4 distinct audio channels. Above the keyboard is the power button, which, like the MateBook X, has a built-in fingerprint scanner for Windows Hello. This is an excellent idea, as it means you can turn on the laptop and sign into it with just a single touch. Huawei tells us that from cold startup to logging into Windows 10, it takes just 7.8 seconds to start the machine, and just 6.6 seconds from hibernation. This is thanks to the fingerprint sensor being a hardware-level part, meaning it's controlled directly by the processor, not by Windows 10. Of course, it still works with Windows Hello. The 13.9-inch IPS screen now has an impressively thin 4.4mm bezel surrounding it. This keeps the overall size of the laptop down to just under 12 inches wide. Huawei claims that the MateBook X Pro is the world's first full-view notebook with a 91% screen-to-body ratio. In fact, the bezels are so small that Huawei came up with a unique placement for the MateBook X Pro's webcam. It's actually in the keyboard beneath a key with a camera icon on it. Pressing the key depresses a latch that lets the 720p camera appear. So that is guys a quick look at the Huawei's MateBook X Pro. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and comment your opinion about the laptop. And also subscribe to our channel for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.